Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bitvave Water Dental Flosser, a great alternative for those who don't like to struggle with traditional dental floss for maintaining oral hygiene. Its cordless design makes it super convenient to use anywhere, and the rechargeable battery lasts a long time between charges. With 3 modes and 5 intensity levels, it allows customization for different gum sensitivity and cleaning needs. It provides a strong yet gentle water stream that effectively removes food particles and plaque from between teeth. The sleek design gives it a modern look and is compact enough for travel. It's powerful and easy to use. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.